that my friends at Funny World sent me this beautiful hoodie, right? That I'm going to wear in St. Patrick's Day. For me, St. Patrick's Day is one of the funnest days of the year. Both March 16, the day before, and March 17 are great days to celebrate, as I used to run an Irish pub back in the days. So those 2 days were a lot of fun. A nice day to celebrate with music, a nice corned beef, green beer, and everything else. I mean, just basically Jameson, and a lot of fun. This is so comfortable. I wish you could feel it, right? And I have the other one that the Funny World guys sent me, and you know what? This is so comfortable that for Christmas I wore it for the whole Christmas season and beyond. I was wearing it to these days, but now I have this one, which I'll be wearing until St. Patrick's Day and beyond, because then my friends at Fun World are also planning to do an issue one for Easter. That should be cute. But what I wanted to show you is the workmanship of these garments. Is beautiful. So they have double stitching everywhere. They're not made just for that day, right? They're made so that you can wear them and have fun with them for days. The material is really well made, and this is a garment that is going to last you for a long time. Though, I mean, you don't buy this for durability usually. You buy it because it's funny and it's fun, and you're gonna have fun on St. Patrick's Day. So you'll be wearing your nice green shirt plus this green hat that is also from our guys from the store, and you can wear one of these. But right now we are just featuring the hoodie. So whether you wear it with a nice cap like that, or this is my favorite cap, I love it. Happy St. Patrick's. We're gonna have fun this year.